Good morning class. This is your art class. So take out your art book. Now open page number 23. Okay. In this we are going to do sketch. Okay. इसमें हम लोग बेटा स्केच टेक्निक सीखेंगे. ओके जैसे कि हैचिंग, क्रॉस हैचिंग, ब्लेंडिंग एंड स्टिपलिंग. So for this you all need art book, pencil, eraser. Okay. Now start doing. First of all hatching is there. What is hatching? Hatching बेटा क्या होता है? Hatching means that you have to simply hold your pencil and do like this in a one direction only. Okay. And cross hatching means zigzag. That zigzag overlapping to each other. Okay. And blending means shading. It means that you can use your pencil anywhere. Okay. And stippling means that dotting. You have to use your pencil like this. Okay. Stippling means dotting. So let's start with our hatching work. First, you all are able to see hat. Now what you have to do, just hold the pencil and do like this. Okay. Now start doing like this. Okay. From up to down. Now down to up. In one direction only you have to use. Like this. Now from here we have to do hatching same, okay, as it is done in this hat. Like this. Okay beta, you have to do this in your book first of all and then in your notebook. Now done. Now it's turn off dark shading, dark tone. This is our light tone. Now here we will do dark tone like this. First of all do like this. Outline. Okay, like this. Are you able to see? I have made the outline over here. Now what you have to do, hold your pencil very tightly and start doing hatching like this in only one direction. Okay, see like this. Okay beta, this is a light tone and this is a dark tone. Same way we have to do over here also. First of all, do like this, outline of the hat. Okay, now from here do like this because it is the shadow of hat. Okay, so we have to do like this. Now from here also. Okay, our shadow is ready. Now what is left? This portion. Now same way you have to put your pencil over here and come to the down like this. Okay, in one stroke only. आपको बेटा सिर्फ एक ही स्ट्रोक देना है like this. Look, our hatching is done. Now what is next is cross hatching. How you have to do this? First of all, outline the hat. Like this. Okay. Look, it is done. Now do like this. Okay, beta. Now how you have to do cross hatching? You have to do cross hatching like this. First of all, do like this. Then like this. Okay. Same way from here also. Same way you have to do like this only. Okay. Now from downward also. Look. Okay. Now we will do this strip like this. from here also. Okay. Now same way. Okay. Now shadow is left. Shadow also we have to do with cross hatching technique. Now it's turn off blending. Same, outline the hats again. How you have to do this? You have to do like this. Okay. Look, our blending is almost done. Okay, now let's turn off this strip now. Now this is our shadow. Okay. Okay. Our blending is ready now. Now, with the help of our finger, what we will do, we will spread it like this. Okay, very gently. Okay. Now, it's turn of stippling. Now look beta how you have to do stippling. First of all, outline your hat. I've done this outline. Okay. Now start doing stippling with the point of your pencil. Like this. Like this you have to do. Now do like this. You have to make dark and light stippling both. Okay, like this. Now make the shadow with the help of stippling only. Okay. Now beta look, hatching, cross hatching, blending and stippling. All is done. These all are the different shading techniques, okay, that we are going to use in rest of the pages, okay. So you have to do this in your book as well as in your notebook, okay. I'm going to show you that how you have to draw these hats in your notebook, okay beta. Now for this you need your notebook, drawing notebook, and look beta, you have to leave one page, okay. Then you have to draw a margin like this and puts the heading hat and shading techniques. Then you have to draw 4 hats in which one is hatching, another is cross hatching, third one is blending and fourth one is stippling, okay. You have to complete it in your notebook as well as in your book. Thank you.